Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brad here, and I'm here with a video to show you how to install and download Selfbot for Discord. Pretty much Selfbot is a bot that pretty much you can control and you're pretty much inside of. It's pretty cool actually. And to do this, you'll need to download 4 different things. First of all, you'll need to download the actual plugin. Just press the clone button, download zip file. Next, you'll need to download Yarn. I'm using the Windows version, so I'll download the Windows version of it, obviously. Click download. Next, you'll need to go to node.js JavaScript, and you're going to download the one on the right side. After that, you need to download JIT. Just download the button here. Now, after you're done downloading all of that, you'll get the Selfbot compressed folder, and just extract that to anywhere you want. Doesn't matter where it goes, wherever is convenient for you. For me, I've extracted it to a folder on my desktop, which is easy to get to for me. Now, when you go into this folder, you'll want to install it, and this will, for me, it doesn't install it because I've already installed all the plugins and files and whatnot. For you, it'll take a while. It'll come up with a bar. It'll show you how much is downloaded. Please don't close it. It'll close itself once it's done downloading. Just let it do its thing. It'll download. Don't worry about it. Once it's done downloading, you'll want to click on run. So let's close the other one. Pretty much, it'll just run the bot for you. For me, it'll automatically do everything for me, but for you, it'll come up with something called bot token. Now, to get your bot token, what you need to do is go to Discord, do Control-Shift-I, go to Application, Local Storage, and open up the Discord one. Down the bottom, you'll see something called Token, and on the right you'll see what your token is. Now, you shouldn't share this with anyone, just please don't. You'll need to copy and paste it into your browser. Just do Control-C, because command prompt won't let you paste it in. You'll have to actually type it in, since it won't let you. Leave the quotation marks in, please. It helps put in token. And then after that, it'll come up with prefix. Prefix is pretty much just what symbol becomes before your command. So for me6, I know it's exclamation mark, so if you do exclamation mark help, that'll activate that command. If you just do help in general, it won't actually do anything. So my prefix for Discord is actually a colon, and colon's just easy for me. So if I show you an example, say colon help, since I'm not running it very well, I'll run it again. And after it closes, when you're ready, there we go, run it again. Once you've downloaded everything, it should come up with this. Come up with your user, your ID, your prefix, and it should say bot loaded at the end. Let's try it again. My prefix, which is colon, and help. And it'll come up with pretty much everything you need. Usually it'll stay longer than 2 seconds. It'll usually stay up for 30 seconds. And you can do whatever category you want. You'll do help category and then say info or settings or whatever you want to look at. Just have a little play around with that. There's a bunch of commands which are fun, which you can have a play around with. But that's pretty much just how you install the plugin itself onto your computer. Now, this video isn't going to show you how you actually use those commands, sorry. I'll do that in a different video, probably going in depth with different categories and just different videos. But this video is just to show you how to install the plugin and get it running on your computer. Now, if you have any questions, please contact me on Discord or join the Discord server. I won't really read YouTube comments very frequently, so the best way to contact me is give me a PM. I'll leave my user info in the description. All links will be in the description, by the way, in case I didn't say it. Or just join the server and just give me an @ Brad, and I'll respond as soon as I can to help you. Obviously, if there's an issue with command prompt, send me a screenshot, and I'll try and help you as fast as I can, and hopefully you'll be able to use it. I'll see you in the next video when we go in further depth of the actual commands. See ya.